This is our TrapMan feral cat drop trap. Ideal where it won't go in a normal cage. Right, when you get it, unfold it, which is the fun part. Unfold the lid. Make sure it lands on top of the uprights. Comes with cable ties. We'll fasten the cable ties on there. Show you what to do with them. Put enough cable ties on. You don't want to try and catch a cat and then it manage to get between the cable tie and the cage. They are going to get a bit fractious. Make sure when you put all the cable ties around, cut them off so you don't put yourself in the face. Worse still, hurt anybody. Put them to one side, don't chuck them on the floor. Right, you need to put some weight on this, on a hard, if you're using it on a hard surface. If you're using it on grass, this isn't grass but it's nearly, put some tent pegs down, so that acts as your hinge. The trap is set, find a little tiny piece of string between there, won't walk off into the wilderness over there. Wait for your cat to walk in after the bait, which you should put somewhere in the centre, more towards the back of the cage. As your cat walks in, make sure they're right to the side pieces. Pull the piece of string. Right, get your cats out. Use one of our trap transfer cages. Shoo them out of here into your cage. Make sure you put both doors down. If there's a cat left in there and you move this, it's going to get out. So put that down, secure it if necessary. Carry this one off. You've got one in there then.